Hi friends, once again this is Vijay. This is a trip which I had taken on 28th August 2016. I hired a car while I was staying at Bhandardara and I ventured out into these Sahyadri Mountains, which was nothing but a beautiful and an awesome view of streams and waterfalls and just pure nature in its raw forms with villagers and lovely, lovely weather too.
That's Pradeep. This is the mountain top plateau is called. Is It's a plateau where down you can see all around the view of Bhandardara Dam. On this plateau you can see the car belongs to a Mumbai guy, and that's the driver in the car. It is drizzling but beautiful, beautiful.
Cows, where they are the lifeline of villagers.
Pravara River. Yeah, Lake.
Pravara River. Okay, beautiful. These are the flowers called palang. Apparently, the roots of these plants called of these flowers called palang, they are eaten by the local tribes. It's supposed to be very healthy, and mind you, the aroma of these beautiful flower is just amazing. It's just amazing. It's soft, delicate, and something very unique. Standing at Konkan Valley, but is completely foggy. Now, here you can see this is supposed to be a valley, but because of the fog, you can't see anything. There's just one tea stall here, and this gentleman is selling these beautiful stones. Beautiful. We just left the Konkan Kada or the Konkan Valley, and as one can see, the roads is fully surrounded with, is it a fog or a mist? I don't know. It's just beautiful.
ये आर्थर लेक का एंड है लास्ट
आर्थर लेक है, अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा,
यहाँ तक पानी आता है
ब्यूटीफुल. फॉग है, दिखता नहीं, लेकिन
यहाँ पे पानी है
हाँ, करेक्ट. It's raining, drizzling, but beautiful. Corn on cob, roast from the smoky forest would have a very unique taste. Something very, very different that I had never had experienced earlier. Was something nice. Okay. Oh,
इकडे पाय ते मुतायला लागले मुतायला लागले
Amazing carving from the mountains, uh, dated back all the way to the 11th century. Unbelievable, but beautiful. Outside this temple, you'll find this huge big cistern, which is always filled with water throughout the year, used by the villagers for drinking and for any other purpose. The periphery of this cistern is carved with intricate mountain stones. They are fantastic, just unbelievable how they have made this cistern. The crystal-like mountain stones which I purchased while I was in Konkan keeps on reminding me of this beautiful trip I had in Sahyadri Mountains.